In a crypto world full of chaos, one coin didn't just join the game. It built a casino. Text on screen. BNB, the coin that became a kingdom. Back in 2017, when ICOs were everywhere and regulators were still asleep, a guy named CZ said, "What if I launch an exchange and a coin and they both make each other rich?" It wasn't just a token. It was a cheat code. BNB wasn't just for trading. Oh no. You could use it to get fee discounts, vote on listings, buy NFTs, pay for coffee. Use our coin and we'll treat you very nicely. Ethereum was slow. BNB said, "Hold my nodes." So Binance cloned it, but faster, cheaper, more centralized, technically decentralized, realistically, centralized. Suddenly, Binance was everywhere. Exchanges, chains, launch pads, tokens, sponsorships, billboards, even a football stadium. One coin, one chain, one empire. Then came the heat. Regulators knocked. Hacks happened. Blockchains froze. BNB dropped like a mic. When you build fast, sometimes you forget the brakes. BNB wasn't just a coin. It was a mirror, showing us what happens when you mix speed, ambition, and central control. Sometimes building the future feels like playing SimCity with real money. BNB's still here. Still huge. Still controversial. Is a utility? A security? A symbol? Or just a very successful loophole? Welcome to Web3, brought to you by BNB. BNB, not just a coin. A kingdom. Subscribe for more absurd but true crypto tales.